Mourine is the latest humanoid robot introduced by Chinese automotive company Chery in collaboration with tech partner Amoga. This robot boasts an impressive level of biomimicry, allowing it to mimic human movements and facial expressions thanks to its silicone artificial skin and integrated AI system. Mourine features a silicone face capable of expressing facial movements and mouth motion. The robot is powered by electric motors and runs on a battery fed by an Atlas hydraulic system. Currently, Mourine can reach a walking speed of up to 4 kilometers per hour. Chery positions Mourine not just as a technological achievement, but as a new class of product with a wide range of applications. It is planned that the robot can work in the automotive industry, serve as a guide, salesperson, administrator, as well as a home assistant and caregiver in the future. Here is one of the most realistic female robots with the slightly unusual name Geminoid F. This gynoid robot is a simplified and lighter version of an earlier model, the Geminoid HI. Geminoid F was designed with the appearance of a young Japanese woman to elicit greater empathy from people. The android has remote autonomous control, allowing it to act as a telepresence device or interact with people independently under AI program control. The robot features a metal skeleton with a plastic skull, covered with polyurethane foam and realistic silicone skin. To replicate facial movements, Geminoid F is equipped with 12 facial pneumatic actuators, and it is also capable of certain arm and body movements. Primarily a research project, Geminoid F is intended to study psychological aspects of human-machine interactions. However, this did not stop it from becoming the first robot to perform in theater, and even in film, namely, in the post-apocalyptic play Sayonara and its film adaptation, where the android was operated remotely by an operator. The Turks have introduced the country's first humanoid robot actor named Ipra. Ipra is unique in that she was specifically created for interaction in the world of arts and entertainment. She has already appeared in the 2022 film Digital Human, as well as in TV series, commercials, and even at concerts. According to producer and screenwriter Birol Guven, they aim to make Ipra a renowned actress on the international stage. Ipra is positioned as a digital human and is capable of rapid learning. She has graduated from all conservatories, read all the plays, and easily acquires new knowledge using the internet as the main source. Meet Grace, a robot designed for healthcare and assisting patients. The company behind the robot, named Hanson Robotics, claims that their development could revolutionize the healthcare market. This humanoid robot is created for interacting with elderly individuals. Grace is equipped with sensors, including a thermal imaging camera in her chest, to assess the temperature and pulse of patients. This will make it easier for medical professionals to diagnose patients without making physical contact. Grace uses artificial intelligence to evaluate her patients and can communicate in 3 languages: English, Mandarin, and Cantonese. David Hanson, CEO and founder of Hanson Robotics, explains that robots like Grace are designed to support healthcare workers and not replace them. As mentioned earlier, the main function of the robot is to alleviate loneliness and improve patients' mental health by engaging with them and providing a variety of uplifting activities, such as talk therapy and guided meditation. For instance, she can listen to the life stories of elderly individuals, record them, and share them with others, or help patients connect with their families through digital technology. A new robot has been developed for training dentists in Japan, with an appearance and mannerisms almost indistinguishable from those of a human. The primary purpose of this female robot is to help dentists practice their skills without risking human health on this mechanism. The model Shah Hanako 2 was introduced by Showa University. She has an incredibly realistic appearance and is also very easy to use. Her facial skin and oral structures look natural thanks to a new type of silicone and a more detailed replication of human features. The robot was created for the university by TMS UK, with specialists from Orient Industry working on her appearance. The oral cavity was designed to be sealed, so that fluids used during dental procedures would not damage the electronics. An interesting addition is a gag reflex simulation, triggered by pressure on the same area as it would be in a human. Shah Hanako 2 has 10 degrees of freedom, including 2 for the tongue and 2 for each hand. The gynoid can blink, move her eyes, sneeze, cough, and show signs of fatigue if her mouth is held open for too long. Professor Hiroshi Ishiguro has created one of the most realistic humanoid robots in the world named Kodom Morid. This robot was developed to work at the National Museum of Emerging Science and Innovation in Tokyo, where its primary task is to announce news and weather forecasts in various languages. The robot's design resembles that of a young girl. Kodom Morid is intended to explore interactions between robots and humans. Its face and body were modeled after real people, and a special silicone that mimics human skin was used for its covering. This robot can move, synchronize lip movements with speech, blink, and express emotions through facial movements. Like other robots created by Professor Ishiguro, Kodom Morid was developed not only to impress with its realism, but also to study issues related to human emotions, consciousness, and thoughts. This is Nadine, an incredibly realistic social humanoid robot which is a robotic clone of Professor Nadia Magnanat-Thalmann, who founded the Mira Lab at the University of Geneva. This humanoid twin was built back in 2015, with the hardware created by the Japanese company Kokoro. Nadine's role is to be a secretary and companion for people with special needs. The robot can read books to people, send emails, make video calls, and communicate with their families. Thanks to artificial intelligence, Nadine can converse in 6 languages, remember people's faces and previous interactions, and respond to conversations. It makes eye contact during conversations, understands some gestures, and reacts to what it sees and hears with facial expressions and upper body movements. It can even change its mood depending on how it's treated. Engineers in the United States introduced an open-source project called Simone for creating a female humanoid robot with artificial intelligence. The idea was to develop an affordable and buildable robot that anyone could assemble. The first version of the robot was completed in early 2022. Simone was inspired by well-known robots like Sophia from Hanson Robotics Company. However, the developers aimed to create a more budget-friendly version. While Sophia cost around $90,000, Simone was created for about $2,000. This robot was designed using accessible materials, including servo motors, silicone skin, and animatronic parts. She is equipped with various sensors and uses AI to recognize faces, process emotions, and interact with people. Simone is intended for various purposes. She can be used as an entertainment robot, a store consultant, or an office administrator. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video did you like the most. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.